Welcome to my YouTube Daily English Conversation channel. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more video. Thank you. Lesson number 11. Do you have any children? Do you have any children? David, do you have any children? David, do you have any children? Yes. Yes. How many children do you have? How many children do you have? I have two kids, a boy and a girl. I have two kids, a boy and a girl. What are their names? What are their names? Hassan, Sabir, and Khalida. Hassan, Sabir, and Khalida. How old are they? How old are they? Hassan is 18, Sabir is 24, and Khalid is 14. Hassan is 18, Sabir is 24, and Khalid is 14. Are they in school? Are they in school? Khalida is. She goes to college in Washington. Hassan and Sabir work in Florida. Khalida is. She goes to college in Washington. Hassan and Sabir work in Florida. What does Khalida study? What does Khalida study? She studies English. He studies English. Is she here now? Is she here now? No, she's at school. No, she is at school. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.